Have you ever encountered stickers that smudge, turn yellow, peel off, or stick together after being transported over long distances? This is a common issue, especially with thermal printed labels used in the garment, food, logistics, or cosmetics industries. Surprisingly, the root cause isn't always the printer or the label quality. It's often due to improper storage and packaging. In this video, I'll show you how to properly store and pack stickers, from warehouse handling to long-distance shipping, to help prevent smudged ink, yellowing, and adhesive issues, ultimately protecting your product's image and saving reprinting costs. Let's start by understanding why stickers get damaged during storage or shipping. Stickers, especially thermal labels, have a heat-sensitive coating that reacts strongly to environmental conditions. If labels are stored in temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius, like in a sealed truck under the hot sun, or placed near heat sources like machinery or intense lighting, the ink layer can be prematurely activated. This causes ink to smudge, fade, or transfer to other surfaces. Moreover, storing labels in overly humid environments can result in mold growth, ink bleeding, or loss of adhesive strength. On the flip side, excessively dry environments can make stickers brittle and prone to cracking. Therefore, the ideal storage condition for stickers is between 18 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, with humidity levels from 40% to 60% RH, and away from direct sunlight. If you're storing roll labels, avoid compressing them too tightly with straps or tape. Overcompression can cause layers of stickers to stick together, especially thermal labels. For pre-applied labels on products, it's best to place them in zipper bags or airtight plastic containers to prevent dust or UV exposure. When stacking in storage, stand the rolls vertically and avoid stacking too many on top, as excess pressure can deform the rolls or affect the print. Now let's talk about packaging for shipping, a critical yet often overlooked step. When you're shipping stickers over long distances, especially by truck, container, or air freight, make sure you pack the labels in individual layers with protective cushioning like bubble wrap or craft paper. Never overstuff the box or compress the rolls too tightly, as long-term pressure can lead to sticking, smudging, or curling. Another important tip: always attach warning labels to your boxes, such as heat-sensitive labels, keep away from heat and sunlight, or do not compress, fragile labels. This alerts the logistics team to handle your package with care. When possible, schedule your shipments in the early morning hours, and avoid midday deliveries or letting boxes sit in hot vehicles. If you want to further increase the durability of your stickers, consider laminating them with a clear gloss or matte film after printing. This helps protect against moisture, scratches, and UV fading. For long-term shipping or overseas orders, you may want to use wax resin ribbon printing instead of direct thermal, as it offers higher resistance to environmental changes. To summarize, stickers may seem like a small detail, but they play a huge role in your product presentation and brand image. Just a small mistake in how you store or ship them can result in an entire batch being unusable, wasting time, money, and damaging your brand reputation. So remember, the key to long-lasting stickers is proper temperature, humidity, and smart packing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch more tips on label printing, storage, and secure shipping techniques in future videos. Drop a comment below. What kind of labels do you use, and what issues have you faced during transportation? I'll be happy to share custom advice and help you solve it.